Hi guys, this is Joshua from Motivao, and today we're going to be talking about extreme math! Hi guys, today in extreme math we're going to be talking about this particular integral which I definitely love, and it's because it has a lot of new tricks and a lot of different types of substitutions that I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy. So guys, the limits of integration. 0 to power of 4. These limits are very important for this integral to be solved. Now what I'm going to do is write u as pi over 4 minus x. And this is very common in these type of integrations where you put the limit of the top minus the variable. The reason is this. Now du becomes what? Minus dx, which means that minus du equals dx. And here, this is just what? Well, x becomes what? Pi over 4 minus u. So it's basically the same. Now, when we substitute the limits of integration, what happens with them? Well, u of 0 becomes what? Pi over 4 minus 0, which is pi over 4. And u of pi over 4 becomes pi over 4 minus pi over 4 equals 0. And that's precisely why I put the limits of integration first minus the variable, because I want to interchange them when I do this substitution. So this integral becomes what? Well, minus because of the minus du from pi over 4 to 0 of ln of tangent of x. But what is x? Well, x is pi over 4 minus u. Plus 1 du. Now this negative here, what does it do to the integral? Well, it switches the limits of the integration, right? So we have here, it's going to be from 0 to pi over 4 of ln of tangent of pi over 4 minus u plus 1 du. Now what is tangent of pi over 4 minus u? Well, here I have a remark of properties of addition and subtraction with tangent. Well, tangent of x minus y equals tangent of x minus tangent of y over 1 plus tangent of x times tangent of y. Now plug in pi over 4 minus x. It's tangent of pi over 4 minus tangent of x over 1 plus tangent of x times tangent of pi over 4. But what value is tangent of pi over 4? Well, the sine of pi over 4 is what? Square root of 2 over 2. And the cosine of pi over 4 is what? The same thing. So they're dividing the same thing, so it's just 1. So this is equal to 1 minus tangent of x over 1 plus tangent of x, which is what we're going to use for this substitution. So now this becomes from 0 to pi over 4 of ln of what? Tangent of pi over 4 minus tangent of u divided by 1 plus tangent pi over 4 tangent of u plus 1 du. Now, like I said, tangent of pi over 4 is 1, so let's rewrite that. So we have log tangent of what? Of 1 minus tangent of u 1 plus tangent of u plus 1. But since we're adding 1, I'm going to go straight to the common denominator, which is 1 plus tangent of u. Now, let's add those together. And what do we get? Of ln. Let's take that little scribble out of the way. Now, 1 plus 1 equals 2, right? Minus tangent of u plus tangent of u, they cancel, so it's just 2 divided by 1 plus tangent of u, du. Now, u is a dummy variable, so I can change u to whatever variable I want. So let's just change it back to x, just for simplicity. So let's erase this guy and erase this guy. So we get x here and x here, right? Now, by properties of log, a division is what? It's a subtraction of them. So we can integrate from 0 to pi over 4 log of 2 minus log of 1 plus tangent of x. Everything dx, right? Now, by properties of integration, the subtraction is the integrals, right? So we can split it into 2. So we have from 0 to pi over 4 of log of 2 dx minus the integral from 0 to pi over 4 of log of 1 plus tangent of x dx. Now, notice here that this is exactly the same integral that we're trying to integrate. And we came all the way from there, right? From the original, by substituting u as pi over 4 minus x. So basically what we have is what? Is that these two things are equal to the same right integral. So this implies that the integral from 0 of pi over 4 of ln of tangent of x plus 1 dx is equal to this two integrals. Now, this trick from integration by parts, you can take this integral from the right and move it to the left, right? Because it's a negative sign in the middle, so it becomes positive. So what we have is this integral plus this integral, which are the same. So we have two of the same integrals. Equal to this integral, but ln of 2 is just a constant. So the integral of dx is just x. So let's just write it down like that. X evaluated where? From 0 to pi over 4. Now when we evaluate pi over 4, it's just pi over 4, and 0 is just 0. So what we really have here is that 2 times the integral from 0 to pi over 4 of ln of tangent of x plus 1 dx equals to pi over 4 ln of 2. And what we do with this 2 is that we divide. So what we finish up with is that the integral from 0 to pi over 4 of ln of tangent of x plus 1 dx is equal to pi over 8 log of 2. And that is our answer. Thanks again, guys, for watching. Please subscribe as a Motivao and watch our website or Facebook or Twitter us.